everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a black fade transition on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, in here I wanna add a 3 video. So if you wanna add a black fade transition, so you just click on a black, so you just click on box white, this one, and then after this you can swipe until you can see black fade, this one. So you just click on it, and then in here you can set the duration for the transition. And after this, if you wanna apply it to all video, if you wanna add a transition to the all video, so you just click on this one in the apply to all, click on it, and then after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add black fade transition on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.